Marhay na aga biyuwenyo! Ako si Christine Arya, narito ngayon sa BU Pulangi para kilalanin ang mga estudyante ng BSECE1.
Hello, ako si Joven Gabatan, isang tabakenyo.
Erika from Balatan.
Isabella from Kamalig.
Aisel from Pulangi.
Cariel from Sorsogon.
I'm David Gabriel Tanjado from Libon Albay.
I am Sean Piersar Perez from Pantao, Libon Albay.
I'm Juliana Audrey Mirabueno from Pulangi, Albay.
I'm Maiden Encinas from Sangay Kamsur.
I'm Trisha Clarice Bonifacio po from Ginubatan, Albay.
Irene Belmonte from Kinuartelan, Pulangi.
Gabriela Ortiz from Tinagot, Ligao City, Albay.
Ako si Michael J. Lares, taga Claveria, Masbate.
I'm Dan Kitsi Burgais from Tabaco City, Albay.
I am Cedric James Bon and from Tabaco City, Albay.
I'm Mark Steven Vicina from Tabaco also.
I'm Adelrico Sevi Maglaki from Catanduanes.
Mary Rose Gamit po from Sorsogon.
Lizette Casey F. Binus from Apad, Pulangi, Albay.
Jonah Carina Dura from Malinaw, Albay.
Chenly Reyes from Balagoas, Albay.
Ivan Well Iray from Malinaw, Albay.
Rainier Francis from Camarines Norte.
Why ECE?
According to my research, ECE has a vast job offerings.
Trip ko lang.
To develop a resistance to sleep deprivation.
To embrace the what of knowledge.
ECE fascinates me.
Wala, madali daw yung ECE.
Because technology evolves rapidly, so electronics engineer continually learn and adapt to stay at the forefront of their field.
Ito kuya.
Because I want to learn how to further advance our technology to benefit our society.
Kasi po gusto ko po may engineer sa pangalan.
Kasi suggestion siya ng family niya at saka mataas daw yung sweldo sa ibang bansa.
Astig kasi pakinggan pag engineering student ka. Since elementary po, yun na yung dream ko talaga. And since I'm competitive, my cousins are civil, mechanical, so I chose electronics po.
Kasi gusto ko.
I chose this course because I think I can contribute to our modern day technology.
What are your future goals?
My future goals is to get a good job and while doing so, experience life after.
My goal is, syempre, first is I will finish this degree and get a high-paying job and enjoy life.
Besides maging engineer, world travel.
Goal ko makapagtapos ng pag-aaral tsaka makapasa sa board exam.
Makapasa sa board exam, hindi mag-shift.
Yumaman.
Secret, ayoko ma-jinx.
Makakuha lang trabaho, di ba? Ganun ang goals natin lahat.
Yun din, makakuha ng trabaho. At yun.
Makapasa lang po sa board.
To pass the board exam.
To pass the boards.
To pass the board exam.
Makagraduate lang, ayos na.
Plano ko pong gumawa ng Gundam.
My goal is to be successful and to be satisfied with my life someday.
So, future goals ko naman is to develop the research and development here at the Philippines. So, ayun.
Anong mga motto nyo?
Always be humble.
My motto is Honda.
Home is where you trust the toilet.
What you get.
Find joy in little things na lang.
You only live once, so make the most of it.
Everything happens for a reason.
Determination and courage would succeed my goals in the future.
For me, just keep moving forward.
What happens, happens.
Health is wealth.
Really, you should always discuss the defeats because you can learn much more in failure than success.
Ang motto ko is never be afraid of the unknown.
Patience is a virtue. Trust the process.
Kung kaya ng iba, edi wow.
Shine the best you can, and when the time comes, your sunset will be beautiful.
When in doubt, Google it.
Challenges lead to growth. Scores doesn't define me.
Ano naman pong expectations nyo sa course na ito?
Mahirap.
Mahirap.
Sobrang hirap.
Go ate.
Next question.
To gain knowledge about electronics
I was expecting that this course will teach me how to innovate and develop a new technology that will benefit the humanity.
Mabagsak.
Allow me to channel my creativity, ganun.
Sa akin, yung course na to is difficult. Expectation ko talaga sa course na to since more on computation siya, mathematics, then syempre, galing akong UMS, mahihirapan.
Siguro, stress.
Mahirap.
Pleasant experience to everyone, even for myself, and enjoy while it lasts.
For me, my expectations would be, this would be a very hard course, but despite that, I know that I will enjoy this course.
Mahirap, of course.
Alam ko mahirap, pero pag sa last years, siguro, enjoy naman.
Mahirap at yun. Meron din ng mga events. Sana ma-enjoy.
Mahirap.
Since yung nanggaling ako sa iyo, syempre, mahirap talaga.
Sana maging mabuti ka sa akin, easy.
My expectation is, ano sabi mo?
Sana maging
Oo, yun din parang sa akin. Oo.
So, expectations ko naman dito is mahirap since siya nga yung course dito sa BU Pulangi na merong board exam na engineering course. Ayun.
Ano mga talents niyo?
Mahilig ako maglaro ng mga online games. Yeah, yung talent ko yun.
I love playing.
Talents? Siguro ano ko na lang is yung public speaking.
Wala po.
Wala akong talent pero mahilig ako mag-drawing.
Batak magpuyat.
Minsan, nag-drawing ako. Kumakanta din ako, tapos sumasayaw.
Singing and dancing.
Best in Dilulu.
Siguro, magbasa, yun na lang.
Use data to see talents.
Dancing.
Ko yan.
Climbing a tree.
I paint, I draw, tapos I sing. Go.
Talent ba yung mag-joke?
Now we all know the answers from our classmates. Now let's ask the production team. Ano po ang pangalan nyo? Tagasan po kayo?
I am Abel Blaise Bueno from Santo Domingo, Albay.
And I'm Laurent Cornelio from Pulangi, Albay.
Why ECE?
It aligns with my experiences and strand.
Why is it? Because, isa sa mga goal ko is maging mechatronics engineer. So, isang step para ma-achieve ko yung goal na yun is yung pag-take ng electronics engineering.
It fits me my interest and skills. What are your future goals?
Future goals ko makapasa sa board exam, yun na lang.
So yun nga sa akin is makapasa sa board and someday is maging mechatronics engineer.
Makapasa sa board and ma-approve or hopefully maka-apply sa mga companies na gusto kong pasukan. What are your motto?
Happy mo kay Pres.
Our motto is just keep moving forward.
What the mind conceive, the body can achieve. Now, ano yung expectations nyo sa course na ito?
At least stress, makapasa lang.
Ang expectation is, na mahirap, pero I think naman na mag-i-enjoy ako sa panata.
Akala ko puro mata lang, ba't hinaluan ng science? Anong talents nyo?
Ano? Talent.
Talent? Talent ko mag-edit. Ako mag-edit nito.
And talent is I'm mahilig sa music and sa mga sports.
Kaya kung igasay ko sarili.